If you run or own a business, something you really don't have time to worry about is an excellent marketing strategy. Which is why at Solutions for Accounting, we're offering you a Marketing Programs Manager. Sage e-marketing for Sage CRM enables you to execute highly targeted e-marketing campaigns. As a user, you can manage your Twitter, Facebook and LinkedIn accounts simply, allowing you to make the most of every outlet, all within Sage CRM. Our simple three-step wizard with a choice of over 90 high-quality templates enables users to easily execute consistent campaigns. Other benefits include the ability to track and manage your budget and accurately measure the campaign's return on investment. So, to ensure all your customers receive the right message at the right time in the simplest but most effective way possible, visit our website or book a place at our next seminar.